Are you curious about which 3D software is right for you? Today, we're diving into Blender, Maya, and Cinema 4D. Each tool has its strengths, but they serve different needs. Blender, Maya, and Cinema 4D all help you create stunning 3D graphics. They are popular among artists and designers. But how do they stack up against each other? Let's start with Blender. This software is open source and completely free. It offers a wide range of features for modeling, animation, and rendering. Many users love its active community and constant updates. It's great for beginners and professionals alike. Now, let's look at Maya. This tool is known for its advanced animation capabilities. It's widely used in the film and gaming industries. Maya has powerful tools for character rigging and simulation. However, it comes with a steep learning curve and a higher price tag. Finally, we have Cinema 4D. This software is famous for its user friendly interface. It's perfect for motion graphics and visual effects. Cinema 4D offers excellent integration with Adobe products. It's a popular choice for designers who want to create eye catching animations quickly. So, what are the main differences? Blender is free and versatile, but it might feel overwhelming for some beginners. Maya is great for professional animation but can be expensive. Cinema 4D shines in motion graphics but may not have as extensive modeling tools as the others. When it comes to pricing, Blender is free, making it accessible to everyone. Maya and Cinema 4D require subscriptions, which can add up over time. In the end, if you are just starting out or on a budget, Blender is a fantastic choice. For those focused on animation in the film industry, Maya is ideal. If you are into motion graphics and want something simple, Cinema 4D is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.